Disco at the Disco, the rhyming picture book about disco music and culture, written and illustrated by Cherie Sola. Get ready to strike a fun pose. Time to put on your disco clothes. So start with your big platform shoes, clunky or bright, you cannot lose. Wear those bell-bottom pants you like, and zigzag lines, green dots, and stripes. Toss glitter on your arms and face, then we'll go to a jumping place. A bouncy house you might expect, but no, it is a discotheque. It has a nickname, the Disco, the place where dancing people go. They come to hear DJs and bands, and swing and sway and wave their hands. Disco songs blast through the speakers, bringing joy to party seekers. Violins, violas, cellos sometimes play loud, sometimes mellow. An orchestra with ringing strings is often a big disco thing. This instrument will open up, and just as quickly it will shut. It goes tss, or tap, tap, tap. This cymbal is called the hi-hat. A drum is pounding, strong and clear, for all the disco fans to hear. When it is struck, boom, 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 rumbles through your feet and the room. The kick drum plays 4 on the floor. Press the pedal to make it roar. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 boom. Hear it again. Boom, 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 boom. The boom moves through you. Feel that thump and grab a friend to do the bump. The funky chicken makes you peck, then flap your arms and crane your neck. A spinning disco ball shines bright with its colorful dots of light. New friends join you under the glow. Dance to disco at the disco. It doesn't matter who you are. We come to dance from near and far. So be yourself, wear what you like, and come to the disco tonight. All that matters to disco fans is that you came to dance, dance, dance.